So I'm Cam Davis. I'm a commissioner, one of 9 at the Metropolitan Water Reclamation District in Chicago. The Metropolitan Water Reclamation District has a program called Restore the Canopy, which donates trees to be planted to help reduce stormwater. A lot of times those trees are being donated to schools, but they can also be donated to other good causes, just to help make sure we're doing our part to reduce flooding and stormwater and capture carbon to fight climate change and beautify neighborhoods. We're here along the North Shore Channel, been taking down trees, invasive species and unsafe trees over the past year to 2 years or so. And today, we're starting to plant what are called whips. They're saplings that'll grow into bigger trees that we can use to plant and reforest what's been taken down. These are native trees and they are fantastic for capturing stormwater and reducing flooding. Not a lot of people know this, but if you want to reduce flooding, you can build tunnels and you can build pipes and plants, and we have those at the Water Reclamation District. But to give those an extra boost, trees are really important because they capture hundreds of gallons of stormwater. Plus, they give us oxygen. Plus, they fight climate change. Plus, they give us shade. Trees are like the best friends in the world. So we're out planting trees along the North Shore Channel. It's MWRD donated the trees today to help make this area greener and better for the neighborhood and also throughout Cook County. And what's really cool about today as we go into Earth Day and what I consider Earth Month is people coming out to clean up the property, take good care of it, and they're all volunteering their time. They're not asking for anything in return, just to come out, have fun, and do good things for the world.